Funny if you had some videos called Behind the Adventure.
Many months later.
Hello, and welcome to the first episode of the Behind the Adventure show. My name is Danielle. This is Calvin.
What's that?
So, this is the show where me and my travel buddies, we talk, we joke, we reminisce, and we roast each other about trips in the past, and maybe even talking about some trips planned in the future, and all the spontaneous craziness that ensues in completing those trips, because as much as it's fun to look at a little video that has all the best clips of trips, there's a lot that goes on behind the scenes.
That's just going to become a running theme. Perfect.
Wait. Because I have nothing else.
Oh, my dad would get a kick out of that.
Okay.
That's it. That's our intro.